welcome back to our channel. So in this video we will see how we can customize the ribbon bar. So basically, what is the ribbon bar? First of all, these tabs, for example, if I click on Home tab, Insert tab, Edit tab, these are all based on ribbon bar technology. Like you see these options, which these are also available. The same concept is also available in Microsoft products like Word or Excel. So if I click on Home tab now, just below that you can see Clipboard. So Clipboard is the command group here, which consists of these commands like paste, cut, copy, delete. And then it also has Home tab has also a command group for pages, and in this command group it has different uh, commands related to page, like page navigator, insert new page, number pages, and page macro. So that's how this ribbon bar works. When you click the tab, it highlights all the command groups, and inside that you find all the commands. Now we will see how to add our own uh, tab here as an example, where we will also move few commands. So for this, I have to right click on this blank space here or empty space here, right click and click on customize ribbon. So when I click on this customize ribbon, this brings us to this particular dialog. And now on the right side, you can see all the tabs. So these are all the tabs which are available in ePlan interface right now for me. And now what I will do is I will create a new tab. So I will click on new tab. Now you can see the new tab has got added here. Let me bring it to the last. And here I would like to rename this, so I can simply right click on the new tab and I will edit it, and let me name it as, for example, e-trainers, or maybe my tab or something, whatever you want. So I can just now click OK, and now you can see the tab has got added here. And then new command. So for example, I would like to have a new command group called insert. So what I will do is I will select those items that I use in my project pages very often. So let's see how to do that. So for this, now I will go to the select commands option, and from here I can choose further commands. There are many other options which you can explore, but yes, in my example I'm choosing further commands, insert, and now you can see these are different options which are available. Now let's say I would like to have interruption point. So I can choose that particular command, and then I can select these arrow that points towards right, and now you can see interruption point has got added just below the insert tab. Similarly, I can further add few more commands like insert symbol. So this was, whenever you see compatibility, that means uh, the view that you were getting when you select insert symbol in previous version prior to 2022, like version 2.9. The similar kind of library access you will be getting if you are using insert symbol compatibility. So let me move it here, and then let me also have few more options. Maybe angle down left, angle down right, angle down. Okay, that's fine. Now circle, for example, let me also add this. Double junction, this also can be added, and I think that would be enough. Now I will click OK, and the moment I do that, you will see that this particular, you can see the new tab has got added here. Okay, just a second, let me move it a bit. Yeah, so eTrainer has got added here, and these are the commands which we have just now added into our new tab. So I can choose interruption point, and you can see it brings that particular symbol directly. I don't have to search that particular uh, option inside these available tabs. So that makes my life easy. I don't have to spend time in searching the commands. Whatever we are using readily, let's have it placed inside the tab, right? So it will save a lot of time for us. I hope this concept is clear. See you in the next video. Thank you.